This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download the Unreal Engine. So I'm right here on the main download page for the Unreal Engine. You can see there's a ton of different information here. So the URL is this, unrealengine.com/download. Now I will of course put that URL in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and you'll wind up here. Now we do have, it will know what operating system you're on, so you'll get the download button here for your operating system. There's also a Windows version, Linux version. It has identified that I, in fact, have a Mac. You can get more detailed download instructions here and the instructions for how to actually install the launcher once you've downloaded it right there. All it's left to do is we click the download button. You can see that the icon went flying up here, which is the sure sign on a Mac that something has in fact been downloaded. Now, like I say, I'm on a Mac. I have Google Chrome, so depending on your download location, you'll find the installer there in your downloads location. Your location might be different to mine, but on Google Chrome, I have it set to my main downloads folder. Now, hopefully you found this video on how to download, how to find and download the Unreal Engine useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.